Hi guys, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Arvisar's Math Academy. I am here to give some little piece of demonstration on topic class 12 derivatives of composite function. In this video I shall cover on exam point of view some examples which will be asked usually or frequently in the examinations. So let us see more about how to solve the derivatives of composite function in this video. Let us see first example, derivatives of composite function. To find the derivative or to find the derivatives of log of tan x by 2. It is a derivative of composite function, and in this video we shall see more about how to solve such type of example. To solve such type of example, you have to know some formulas related to these examples. Which formula we want to know? First formula, derivative of d by dx of log x. We have one formula, derivatives of log x is equal to 1 by x, or d by dx of tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Again, one trigonometric formula we have to use, 1 by cos x is equal to sec x, or 1 upon 2 sin x by 2 or cos of x by 2 is equal to sin of x. This is a formula, 2 sin x by 2 cos of x by 2 is equal to sin x, and we can write as 1 by sin is equal to cosec x. These formulae we have to use here to solve such type of example. Let us see. Solution. We have here y is equal to log of tan x by 2. Substitute or take y is equal to this given function. Then differentiate with respect to x. Means we have to find the derivative of this function with respect to x, because it is a function of x. So derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx, and derivative, we know the formula for the derivatives of log x is equal to 1 by x. This is a x, consider this is x. By the formula derivative of log x we can write as log x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Instead of x, here is tan x by 2. So here is derivative of tan x is log of tan x is equal to 1 by x, means 1 upon tan x by 2. As here function is changed, instead of x here is tan x, so take again derivative of tan x, change derivative, d by dx of tan x by 2, 1 upon tan x by 2. Derivative of tan x by 2, we have formula, derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. So derivative of tan x by 2 is, we have sec square x by 2. Again here is, instead of x here is x by 2. Again take derivative of d by dx of x by 2. We can write as, we have formula again in trigonometric function, tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x. So you write as sin x by 2. We can write as tan x by 2 as sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Because we have formula tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. This formula we have to use here. Tan x is equal to sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Again use the formula for sec square x. 1 by cos x is sec x. So sec square x by 2 we can write as 1 upon cos square x by 2. And derivative of x by 2 is, derivative of x is 1, 2 for 2 as it is. Take 2 as it is. This cos x by 2, this cos square x by 2 cancel with cos x by 2 with cos square x by 2. So here is 1 upon sin x by 2 cos x by 2, as here 1 cos get cancelled. Here is cos x by 2, 1 upon cos x by 2, and here is 1 by 2. So again we write it as 1 upon 2 sin x by 2 cos of x by 2, and we have formula here. Again we have formula 1 upon 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 is equal to what? We have formula, it is formula for sin x, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So we can write it as, see here, we can write it as 1 by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and it is formula for sin x, and we have 1 by sin x is equal to cosec x. So we find derivative as log of tan x by 2 is equal to cosec x. In this way, 3 mark questions may be asked on the examination for this derivatives of composite functions. You solve it carefully. Our next example is e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Again we have basic formula for the derivatives of exponential function as d by dx of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Derivative of exponential function, we have formula derivative of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x, and in trigonometry we can write as sin square x as sin x square, and we have formula d by dx of sin x is equal to derivative of sin x is cos x, and d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. If you know the formulas for the derivatives of e raised to x, again derivatives of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x, derivatives of sin x is equal to cos x, and derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. If you know all this formula, we can easily solve such type of example by the application of these formulas. Means to solve the derivatives of any function, maybe composite, maybe trigonometric, you want to know the basic formulas for the derivatives of function. So let us see how to solve type of example. Very easy example we have given that. Consider this example equal to y is equal to e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We have derivative d by dx of y means dy by dx. Differentiate means to find derivatives. D by dx of e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. We have formula e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. So derivative of e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x is e raised to 3 sin square x minus cos square x. As instead of x, here function is changed. x ऐवजी ये function बदल है. Then take derivative of change function as 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. So here is e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. We can write as sin square x as sin of x bracket square, 2 cos square x as cos of x bracket square, and we have derivatives 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. We can find derivative as 3. We have derivatives for function d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. In same way, derivative of sin square x is equal to, we can write as 2 sin x, and again take derivative of sin x, and we know the derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. So chain derivative of this sin x is equal to cos x. Same way, we can find the derivative of cos square x. Cos square x means it is a square of derivative, and we have formula for the square of derivative as d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. Use this formula. Derivative of cos square x is equal to 2 cos x, and again take chain derivative of cos x as minus sin x. So here is e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x, 3 2s are 6 sin x cos x, minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4, because here is minus, minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4 sin x cos x. So we can write it as, see here, we can write it as e raised to 3 sin square x, 2 cos square x, 6 sin x, 4 sin x is equal to, add this, 6 plus 4 is 10 sin x cos x. Again take 2 common from this 10 here. 5 2s are 10, 2 sin x cos x e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Why I am taking here 2 common? Because we have formula 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. We can write in this here instead of this sin of 2x. It is formula for sin 2x. We have formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So instead of this, you write here trigonometric formula sin 2x, and here is e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. In this way, we can find the derivatives of this function as e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x as 5 into sin 2x e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. In this way, we can find the derivatives of exponential function. In bracket e to the power 3x into 3x minus 4 raised to 2 by 3 upon cube root of 2x plus 5. You have to find the derivative of this function, and to solve such type of example, we have to apply some basic formulae. By the applications of some logarithmic formulas and their derivatives, we can solve such type of example very easily. So which formula we have to use to solve such type of example, or which formula you want to know? First formula you want to know for the logarithmic function as log of m into n. We have formula log m into n as log of m plus log of n. This formula we have to use here. Again we have to use log m by n, m upon n. We have formula log m minus log n. This formula we have to use. Again, one more formula we have to use, log m to the power n, and we can write by this formula, logarithmic formula, as n log m. Log m raised to n we can write as n log m. This formula we have to use, and we have to use derivatives formula for log of x, and log of x is equal to 1 by x, and some chain rule, derivatives of some functions we have to use here to solve such type of example. So observe this example carefully. It may be frequently asked in examinations. So how to find the derivatives of this function? Let us see. First you apply this formula for this function. As here is logarithmic function, this is considered as m and this as n. Numerator as m and this as n. And in numerator we have here e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4 raised to 2 by 3. So you apply here m into n as log of m plus log of n. And here this is the denominator. So we apply formula m by n for this. So first you apply formula m by n. Means log of e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4. We can write as is equal to 2 by 3 minus log of cube root of 2x plus 5. See here, this is m, this is n. We can apply formula log m by here mi, here ni. So we apply here log m minus log n. Again, applies this formula m into n as log m plus log n. This is a m, this is a n. So we can write this as log of e raised to 3x plus log of 3x minus 4 raised to 2 by 3. Log of this cube root of 2x plus 5, write in the form of power, means 2x plus 5, cube root means here power is 1 by 3, 2x plus 5 raised to 1 by 3. This, due to this cube, we can write it as power as 1 by 3. Same apply formula, log m raised to n as n log m. It is in the form of m, this is in n, so we can write as 3x log of e by this formula. Log m raised to n is n log m. This is m, this is n, so we can write as 3x log of e. So here is m, this is m, this is n, so n log m, n is 2 by 3, right here 2 by 3 log of 3x minus 4. And here is 1 by 3 log of 2x plus 5. This is the y. Then differentiate to find the derivative. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx. 3x. Derivative of 3x. 3 derivative of x as 1. We know the formula for the derivatives of x. D by dx of x is equal to 1. So here is 1. And we know log e is constant. Keep constant as it is. 2 by 3. This is x. We have derivative for log x is equal to 1 by x. So we can write it as 1 upon 3x minus 4. As here is instead of x, here is 3x minus 4. Again, take chain derivative as 3x minus 4. Here derivative of this log x is equal to, we can write as 1 by x. So 1 upon 2x plus 5. Take derivative, chain derivative as 2x plus 5. Because instead of x, here is 2x plus 5. If there is function change, then you have to take their chain derivative. So 3 into 1 is 3. We have value log e is equal to 1. So put here 1. 2 by 3. 1 upon 3x minus 4. Derivative of this 3x. 3 constant keep as it is, derivative of x is equal to 1, and term without x is constant, so derivative of 4 is 0. Derivative of 3x is equal to 3 and constant 4 is 0. So 1 by 3. Same way we can write as derivative of 2x plus 5 as 2. Derivative of x is 1, 5 is constant, so here is 0. So here is 3 plus 1 upon 3x minus 4 into 3 minus 1 by 3 into 1 upon 2x plus 5 into 2. So these three get cancelled. 3 plus 2 upon 3x minus 4 minus 2 upon 2 into 1 is 2 upon 3 in bracket 2x plus 5. In this way we can find derivatives of this composite.